Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to cancel LinkedIn Premium after free trial in 2025. So, in order to do this, open any browser on your PC, then navigate to linkedin.com and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see this page. Here, you're simply going to click on the Me icon at the top right of the screen and you will see these options. From these options, what you'll have to do is simply click on Premium Features. Here, you will see Subscription Details. Simply click on them and then go to Manage Subscription. Now, it will give you an overview and you will see Purchases and Transactions option. After that, you'll have to simply click on the three dots on the Transaction section. Now, hit the download receipt option and then you can customize your recipient details. Now, go to Purchases option on the left side of your screen and you will see active and expired purchases. In the active purchases, click on the purchase that you want to cancel and you will see the cancel free trial option available just right there. Now, click on the option and continue to cancel. And after you do this, your LinkedIn Premium free trial will be successfully cancelled. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.